How to sign up as a Shein affiliate. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in shein.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the official website of Shein. Now all you have to do is scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will find this section of company info. Under that, you will find the option of affiliate. Click on that option. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now scroll down. You will see this section, Shein Official Affiliate, free and easy to join, how it works, your benefit, your customer benefit, and join us. Head towards this option of join us and then click on this option sign up or log in for free now. Open it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now from this page, you can easily register for Shein Affiliate. You will get two sections, new to publisher program and already registered. Click on the option new to publisher program and then you have to fill all these. Type in first name, last name, country or region and then provide your email address and then generate password for your account. After you fill all these, click on the option next and go through all the processes. With that, your account will be registered. So this is how you can easily sign up as Shein affiliate. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.